Let's start the copy work. What is day today? Today is Wednesday, date 9th and month December and year 2020. And the topic is words with F. First of all, students, you will write the spelling of WED NESDAY day, Wednesday, comma 9 small th 9th, and you will write the spelling of December DECEMBER December, comma 2020 full stop. Okay, today we will make different words with letter F. This is the picture of fish. What is the starting letter of fish? F. FISH, fish. This is the picture of fan. What is the starting letter of fan? F. FAN, fan. This is the picture of fun. FUN, fun. Fish, fan, fun. FISH, fish. FISH, fish. FAN, fan. FUN, fun. You will write the spelling of fish. FISH, fish. FAN, fan. FUN, fun. Fish, fan, fun. Fish, fan, fun. In this way, you will complete your work neat and clean. Thank you.